2018 Tesla Model 3 is the auto proposed to take the Silicon Valley electric auto creator to the following level of volume, a huge number of autos a year. Its long and uneven way to large-scale manufacturing began in July 2017 and has proceeded with well into 2018, with only a couple of thousand conveyed in its initially half-year. 2 renditions have been reported, the long-range show with 310 miles of evaluated run, and the standard Model 3 with 220 miles. We could spend a few hours and cover in excess of 100 miles in a Model 3 long-range form, changing expressway cruising with twisty mountain streets and unpredictable rural errand obligation. Notwithstanding different and glaring quality issues, the Model 3 basically conveys on the guarantee of a lower estimated Tesla with 200 or 300 miles of range. As of spring 2018, just the priciest long-range models are being conveyed, so the individuals who truly need the $35,000 base Model 3 will hold up numerous months, maybe over a year, to take conveyance. We have praised the 2018 Tesla Model 3 at OO calls attention to of 10, giving it additional focuses for plan, execution, and vitality proficiency, yet downrating it seriously for the different quality issues revealed in numerous shiny new Model 3s conveyed in 2017 and mid-2018. That general score experiences the absence of a security rating, and the number could rise once crash test comes about or accessible from the NHTSA or the Unmistakably a Tesla, the Model 3 is generally an indistinguishable size from a BMW 3 Series, the conclusive game car for quite a long time. It's a 4 entryway vehicle with a little trunk opening, instead of sharing the 5 entryway hatchback car format of the bigger Model S. However, the two autos share a fastback shape. Its front end has Tesla's vane, adjusted nose with a V-form Tesla symbol and with no falsification of a grille. The Model 3's inside is plainer than those of its bigger kin, and its most striking component is the 15-inch touchscreen sitting over a generally discharged dash, free of catches, switches, handles, or sliders.